What's up, Wildcats? Welcome to our 59th episode of WNMS. We've got an awesome show for you today, packed with some new features, fun debates, and exciting sports updates.
That's right, and we're kicking things off with something brand new, Passing Time Music Trivia Wednesdays. Think you've got the best music knowledge in the school? Well, now's your chance to prove it and maybe even win a prize.
Plus, we've got some helpful tech tips, a this or that challenge that might stir up some strong opinions, Coke or Pepsi. What's the ultimate pick?
And of course, we'll wrap things up with sports, including a huge state competition coming up this weekend for our NMS Palm team and wrestling results. Get hyped and stick around for all the details.
Let's get started. WNMS starts now.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Get ready, Wildcats. We're kicking off something brand new, Passing Time Music Trivia Wednesdays. Here's how it works. Step 1, listen up. Pay attention to the music playing during passing time. Step 2, think you know the answer? Drop your guess in the Google form on the WNMS Schoology group. And if you get it right and your name is picked from the raffle, you win a prize.
It's that simple, so tune in, test your music knowledge, and you might just score a sweet reward.
Got a broken Chromebook but not sure how to get it fixed? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out this awesome infomercial from Kaleb and Valerie to find out exactly what to do. Let's roll the video.
Now you know exactly how to submit a ticket and get your Chromebook back in action. Don't wait, get it fixed and stay connected.
Do you prefer Coke or Pepsi? It's a debate that's been going on for ages. Check out another This or That segment, this one created by James. Let's see what people had to say.
I like Coke because it's way better than Pepsi.
I'd probably have to say Coke because Pepsi is just too sweet. It just tastes nasty.
I'm gonna have to go with neither because I like water more because neither of the two even taste good in my opinion. They don't really taste good at all.
And Coke is better than Pepsi, and that's just a true fact.
So, Coke is better because, I just like Coke.
Okay, Coke is better because it's the original.
I don't like either, so I'll just say water like Raj.
I prefer Pepsi because it's sweeter.
Pepsi, because I just drink it all the time, and Coke is disgusting.
And I think between Coke or Pepsi, they both, I know controversial, they both kind of taste the same, but if I have to pick, probably Coke, just because it's a little bit sweeter sometimes, and Pepsi seems a little more tasteless from time to time.
If I were to prefer between Coke and Pepsi, I actually do not like either because I cannot recognize what they taste like, so I like Sprite.
Coke was clearly the winner of this or that challenge. But were you surprised to see water make an appearance in the answers? Stay hydrated, I guess.
Sports is up next.
Hey everyone, this is Sydney with sports. The NMS Pom team is heading to Mid-American Pom Nom State Championship this Sunday at Eastern Michigan University. They've been working hard, perfecting their routines, and now it's time to bring the energy and shine on the big stage. Make sure to wish them good luck before they take on the competition this weekend. Let's go, Pom team!
Our Wildcats hit the mats on Tuesday, taking on two tough opponents, Adams and Stevenson, and wow, what an improvement from their first competition. Against Adams, our wrestlers dominated with huge wins and impressive pins. Shout out to Enzo T, Rudra G, Zane W, Kaleb T, Tegan H, Diego G, Max M, and Aradia V, many of whom secured their first wins of the season. And once again, Wyatt S. proved he's lightning fast, pinning his opponent in under 8 seconds. Meanwhile, Mason A. stayed undefeated, winning both of his matches, continuing his legendary season. The battle against Stevenson was tough, but our Wildcats still fought hard, and grabbed some key victories. Big wins came from Mason A., TOG, Shubham M., Zane W., Kaleb T., and Raphael C. A special shout out to our girl wrestlers, Stella S. and Shivani T., who both pinned their opponents. Way to represent. Next up, their first home meet tomorrow against Holmes Middle School. Come and cheer on your Wildcats. Good luck to the girls' basketball teams in their games today. The white team hosts Hillside at home. The 7th grade tips off at 4 o'clock. The green teams hit the road to take Franklin Middle School. Happy birthday to the following students.
Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wow, what a great show we had today for episode 59 of WNMS. From our brand new Passing Time Music Trivia Wednesdays to the Coke vs. Pepsi showdown, it was definitely a fun one.
Plus, we learned how to fix a broken Chromebook, get involved in volunteering, and got hyped from our Pom team's big state championship.
Thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll be back next week with even more news, sports, and fun segments. You won't want to miss it.
Until then, stay awesome, Wildcats. WNMS out.
Hey guys, it's your faves, Julia and Sydney, and today we're here with your clock and quote of the day. It's February 5th, 2025, and here's your quote of the day. Just one small positive thought in the morning
can change your whole day. This is Julia and Sydney with your clock and quote of the day.